Hello, I hope you're thoroughly enjoying another great bottle of JCL New World wine. And thanks for scanning the QR code on the back of the bottle. Now that you're here, I'd like to share with you a clever little innovation that enables our customers to avoid that annoying drip of wine that we all too often find going down the side of the bottle after we pour our glass. Thanks to the fact that your bottle is equipped with a specialized capsule, or foil as it's often referred to as, you're going to be able to easily use that foil to form a drip-free pouring spout. And the nice thing about that is it doesn't require that you have any external apparatus such as an insertable spout or an absorption ring or anything else that you would have to purchase and have with you at the time that you elected to drink the wine. So here's all you need to do. We're gonna start by taking off the cap of the foil. I like to do that with a foil cutter. If you don't have a foil cutter or you prefer to use a knife, that's fine too. But only remove the material at the top above the reinforcement body that protrudes on the neck of the bottle. And to the degree possible, try to get a nice clean cut on that foil. And then once you remove the cap, you can go ahead and take the cork out like you normally would. Now that the cap and cork have been removed, we're going to gently rotate the foil and slide it up above the lip of the bottle, just to the point where it protrudes by 1 to 2 millimeters. If you're observant, you may have noticed a couple of things. First, the foil provides for a nice, sharp pouring edge that does a great job of mitigating accumulation of wine droplets on the outside of the foil, thereby keeping the exterior surface of the bottle nice and clean. Secondly, there is a little bit of a crevice or a gap here between the foil and the bottle lip. And as you can imagine, when you're pouring your wine, particularly when you stop pouring the wine, you're going to get a certain amount of wine that backflows into that crevice. And under normal circumstances, that wine is going to work its way down to the bottom of the foil and ultimately become exposed on the exterior of the bottle, and in most cases presumably work its way down to your tablecloth. Fortunately, your bottle is equipped with a patented foil configuration that prohibits that backflow from running past the bottom of the foil, thereby keeping your bottle nice and clean and your tablecloth spot-free. Now that we've reviewed all the details, let's give this a try. Perfect. No drips.